Welcome, here I've got Realme 6S and I'm gonna show you how to change aspect ratio in the camera app at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button here to open it, and as you can see we are in the standard photo mode. So let's go to more advanced options. We can do it by tapping on this button in the right corner. As you can see, it gives us access to other 3 buttons, and for now we are interested in this button from the left. When we tap on this we can easily change the frame of our picture, and as you can see for now it changes to the 1 and 1, which is the square one. When I tap on this again I can change it to the full frame, so this is how it looks like. And the next one is 16 and 9 ratio here. And when I tap on this again, we go back to 4 and 3, which was the original one. So this is how it works here, and this is how it changes. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.